Hello students. In previous video I have explained chapter 3, the starting point, page number 20 and 21, and this is an autobiography of Milkha Singh, the famous athlete. And I have explained till paragraph 7, and I have told you that Milkha Singh was asked to take part in brigade meet in Hyderabad, and there he has to run 400-meter event. For that race he was practicing every day, and he has to improve the time. What is his time that he has to, what is his problem that he has to complete the race in the minimum time? For that he has practice every day, and he was able to run 400 meters in a less than a minute. Now let's start page number 22. The day of the meet dawned bright and clear as I made my way to the stadium. I noticed some men who were surrounded by senior officers and their families. Milkha Singh is saying that the day of the meet was came, and the day is bright and clear. And as he was going to the stadium, he noticed that some men were standing there, and they were surrounded by the senior officers and their families. After seeing that, Milkha Singh is surprised, and he wants to know that who were they. The men wore vests with India written on them in bold letters. They seemed to have an air of power and prestige about them. Have an air of power and prestige means they seem very important and much respected and admired by others. And Milkha Singh is saying that the men wore vest. All the men who were standing there, they have wore the vest, and there is written India in a bold letters. And by seeing that, means every people who were presented there, senior officers and their families have surrounded them, and and they looked that they were very important persons. They were very respected and important person. That's why everyone has surrounded them. I was very curious to know who they were. I was told later that they were athletes who had represented India in international sporting events. After seeing that, Milkha Singh was very curious, and he wanted to know that who were they. But after some time later, he come to know that they were the athletes, and they had represented India in international sporting events. That was my eureka moment. I made a solemn promise to myself that I would not rest until I earn a place in the special word too, the word of India athletes who had the privilege of representing their country. Eureka moment means, students, the time when he realized what he wanted to become in life. Milkha Singh is saying that that is the time that he has realized what he has to become in his life, and he made a sincere promise to himself that I will not rest until I will honor that he will honor special place among them, among that those athletes who had privilege of representing their country. Privilege means an opportunity they were very proud about. Means Milkha Singh wanted to be one among the men who got to wear the Indian blazers. He wanted to feel the power and prestige that came with wearing those blazers. He wanted his country to be very proud of him. These thoughts motivated Milkha Singh, and he wanted to become a famous athlete. I wanted to wear blazers and vests with the name of my country written on them. I resolved that I would make my country proud of me. Resolve means firmly determines. After that, Milkha Singh is very determined, and his aim is very clear. that he want to become a famous athlete and want to wear that blazer. There's written India. I was very nervous when we reported at the starting line before the race. This was the first time that I was competing in such an event, that too before thousands of spectators. I had little idea about the procedures and the technicalities for such events. Procedure and technicalities means the rules of the race and the process that should be followed before the race. He was saying that I was very nervous when I reported means when I reported at the starting line before the race, because it was his first time to compete in this type of event, and there were thousands of spectators were presented, and he has never experienced to compete in any race or any event in before of the this much spectators. And even he even don't know about the rules of the race and the process that should be followed before the race. That's why he was very nervous. I came fourth in the race, but student Milkha Singh came fourth in the race. I was disappointed but not disheartened. Disheartened means having lost hope or confidence. He was disappointed, but he has not lost his hope. I had raced with star athletes, the national champion Sohan Singh of Sikh Regiment and Pritam Singh, who had represented India in events abroad. Milkha Singh got the fourth position, and he was disappointed, but he has not lost his hope, because he had raced with the star athletes. There were the national champion, whose name is Rohan Singh of the Sikh Regiment, Pritam Singh, who had represented India in events in abroad. When I returned from Hyderabad, it was back to work as usual, parades, other military duties, and examination consumed my time. He was saying that when he came back to from Hyderabad, then his training period is started, and he has to do like the parades, other military duties, and examination, and that all these works consumed his time. But my desire to succeed as an athlete was as strong as ever. After a day of hard work, I would carry my dinner back to the barracks and hide the plate of the food under my bed. While my colleagues relaxed in the evenings, I would be at ground practicing. I still did not know the techniques needed to run a 400-meter race, but I followed a rule of thumb. I would run one round at the highest speed possible, rest for a while, and then run another one. He was saying that my desire to succeed as an athlete was as strong as ever. He's saying that he was doing the parades, military duties, all an examination. All these works consumed his time. Means he has not the enough time to practice for his race. But his desire is too strong to become too strong, and he wanted to become as a athlete. After a day of hard work, I would carry my dinner to the barracks. Barracks means a group of buildings in which soldiers live. He was saying after the work which he used to do daily, after that work he took his dinner and went to the barracks and hide his food or plate under the bed. Means he was not taking his dinner, he hid his dinner. And when his colleagues were relaxed in the evening, means after doing all these works, when they were relaxing themselves, then I would be at the ground practicing. Then Milkha Singh was at the ground and practicing for his race. I still did not know the techniques needed to run 400-meter race, but I followed the rule of thumb. Rule of thumb means practical way based on experience, though it may not be technically correct. When everyone is relaxing, then he was practicing in the at the ground, and but he still means he is not knowing the techniques that he needed to run a 400 meters, but he followed a rule of thumb, means a practical way based on experience, means he is following that rule which he has experienced. Miss Milkha did not know the rules of the 400-meter race. In preparing for the race, he would run one round at his best speed, rest for a while, and then run again. Means this is his techniques when he used to run in this way, and that rule he is following in the 4-meter race also. Rest for a while and then run again. He calls it a rule of thumb because he was practicing to his own guideline. I would compete 5 or 6 rounds and then return to my room to take a bath and have a dinner. Means after taking 5 or 6 rounds, he came back to his room and take bath, and after taking bath he take his dinner. This was my routine for many months, a secret activity that no one was aware of. And these activities he used to do for many months, and even no one is knowing, even his colleagues is not knowing that he is doing all these work, means practicing for his race. One night One night I was doing my regular practice rounds when Brigadier S.P. Vora spotted me. He was on his after dinner walk. Means one night he was practicing for his round, Milkha Singh. Then Brigadier S.P. Vora had seen him, and he was on his after dinner walk. Why are you on the ground at this hour? He asked sharply. The Brigadier S.P. Vora asked to Milkha Singh, why are you on the ground at this time? Means what are you doing here? Student, this is the explanation of page number 22. Then Milkha Singh replied, Sir, I said, clicking my heels and snapping to attention. I tried to do a smart salute, though I was breathing hard and dripping sweat from every pore. Sir, I panted. I am practicing for 400-meter race. When Brigadier S.P. Vora asked him, what are you doing here? Then suddenly Milkha Singh clicking his heels and snapping. Snapping is the action of breathing suddenly. Snapping is the action of breathing suddenly and completing to the attention. I tried to do smart salute, means he tried to salute to do the smart salute to Brigadier S.P. Vora, and he was breathing hard, means he was breathing hardly. Why? Because he was running, and dripping means fall, and the sweat was falling from his body. And it say, Milkha Singh said, means when S.P. Vora asked to him, then he Milkha Singh click his heels and he tried to do a smart salute to Brigadier S.P. Vora, and he took a breathe hard, and the sweat is falling from his body, and he told, panted means quick breath. He took a quick breath and said, I am practicing for the 400-meter race. Practicing? Why are you practicing at this hour? He asked, sounding a little astonished. After listening that SP Vora, Miss Brigadier, he was surprised and he was saying, practicing for what you are practicing and why you are practicing at this time, means at the night. Then Milkha Singh replied, because I don't have time to practice during the day, sir, I replied quietly. Then Milkha Singh replied, because I didn't get the time in the day, means during the day, to practice, because he has to do the fatigue duty and the and parades, military duties, examinations, all these works he has to do in the daytime. That's why he didn't get the time. He stared at me, then nodded and walked away briskly. I felt quite relieved that I had been let off easily. He stared at me. Milkha Singh is saying that Brigadier is staring at me, and he nodded his head. Nodded means lower and raise one's head, and he lower and raised his head and walked briskly. Briskly means in a quick way, we can say, and he walked quickly. And after that, Milkha felt quite relieved that Brigadier have moved very fastly from here. Let off means a chance to escape or avoid something. He don't want to face Brigadier. The meeting led to a series of actions that I have never anticipated. The next day, the commander of my company told me that I did not have to do fatigue duty anymore. The meeting, Milkha Singh is saying, meeting led to a series of actions that he has never imagined, anticipated, mean expected, known to be likely. He never expected that this thing will happen. What happened next day? The next day, the commander of his company told him that he will not do the fatigue duty from now. And it is the best thing for Milkha Singh if he will not do the fatigue duty. As I've told you, fatigue duty means duties such as cleaning and cooking. If he will not do this work, then he will got the much time for his practicing. And this is a good thing for Milkha Singh. And one commander told him next day that he will not do the fatigue duty. This gave me more time to practice. I was given better facilities, nutritious diet, and special attention was paid on my grooming. The incident opened up a whole new world for me, and that offered innumerable opportunities. Grooming means his training to become a world-class athlete. Milkha Singh saying that this gave me more time to practice. And after the meeting with Brigadier SP Vora, he was taken off fatigue duty and given more time to practice running. He was given better and after that he was given the better facilities also, and the nutritious diet also, and he was and special attention was paid to his grooming. Meeting Brigadier SP Vora opened up a world for opportunity for Milkha Singh. Meeting SP Vora, it's a good thing for him. After that, a lot of things changed for him, and that have helped him to become a athlete because he got the enough time to practice. Now students, this is explanation of page number 23. It's now over.